This is You Can Change Vegan. Hello! When you have ripe bananas, you could bake banana bread like everybody else, or you could try these no-bake banana bread balls. The food process is easier, but you can also make these in a bowl, and the full written recipe is in the description. Start with the bananas, followed by the peanut butter, and now season with cinnamon, nutmeg and salt. The next step is to process the banana mixture until smooth. It's time to add the walnuts and then pulse until chopped. Remove the blade. Our final ingredient is almond meal, and then mix everything together. If the mixture is sticky, add more almond meal or place it in the fridge for 30 minutes to firm. Now take a scoop of the mixture, roll it into a ball with your hands, and then place it on the plate. You can roll them in some sugar if you like a sweeter dessert, but I prefer to keep them no added sugar. Store this healthy banana treat in the fridge, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and thanks to all of you who have been subscribing. There's 2 more of my vegan recipe videos linked here.